Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Micah, and today we're going to be making iced matcha latte. For the iced matcha latte, you're going to need matcha powder. I get it from Whole Foods, almond milk, a cup to drink the matcha in, and a spoon to mix the matcha powder with the water, a pot to boil the water, and a cup of ice. Alright, now that you guys know all the ingredients, let's go ahead and get the pot and fill it with a little bit of water to bring the water to a light boil. That's enough. And now let's boil the water. Now let's go ahead and bring the water to a light boil. Okay, now that the water is at a light boil, let's go and turn it off. And next, I use a ladle. Make sure you have something heat resistant. I just take a little bit of water out of the pot and simply pour it into the cup to be mixed with the matcha powder. Okay, now that we have the hot water in the cup, let's go ahead and get some matcha powder out of the container with the spoon. And I just get a little bit of matcha powder so that it's good enough to mix in the cup, maybe a little more. And I just drop it in here and mix it around. And I just mix the matcha well enough that the particles dissolve in the hot water. And one thing that I do sometimes is add just like 2 dashes of cinnamon, because it's always good to have your daily dose of cinnamon powder. Next, I'm gonna add the ice to make the water a little cold. And I just mix this around a little more just to make the water colder. And I get my raw almond milk, open it, and I just add almond milk. Let me get my straw. And there's the iced matcha latte. And there's the iced matcha latte.